FX Nation, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. And guys, in this video, we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about a trading plan. All right. This is going to be the video that you're going to definitely want to take notes in if you're really serious about doing this for a living, not just as a hobby. Because remember, hobbies cost you money. When you do something for a living, it makes you money. All right. So let's talk about this trading plan thing. Let's go. All right, guys. So I can tell you that if you don't have a trading plan written down, printed out, that you look at every day, that you use every day, you're really not taking this serious. Okay. You're really not taking this serious. This is more of a hobby to you if you don't have a written trading plan down. So think about that. Do you want to do this full time? Is this something that you want to do every day? Is this something that you want to use to replace your income from your 9 to 5 so that way it can open other potential opportunities for you to do other things that you actually like? Because I got to tell you, I would say probably 80 to 90% of people who have 9 to 5s don't like what they're doing. They freaking hate their jobs. They hate their jobs. They hate what they're doing. Right? So they're looking for something else. Right? And I can tell you that if you take trading serious and you actually want it to be, you replace essentially your 9 to 5 income with it, then you need to take this serious, right? And you can't treat this like a hobby, because hobbies, they don't really make you money, they cost you money. All right? So if you really want to do this, guys, let's go ahead and let me show you how to create a trading plan. Because if you don't have a trading plan, be honest with you, to be frankly blunt with you, you shouldn't be trading if you don't have a trading plan. That's just point blank. Okay, you can't expect to trade and be successful at trading if you don't have rules to follow. Because if you don't have rules to follow, what's going to happen? Your psychology is going to get jacked. You're going to be trading emotional. Okay, those are the two biggest things that happen when you don't have a trading plan. You start trading. All right, it's easy to put in a trade. That's the easy part. The hardest part is what happens afterward. Okay? How you react to the market after you place your trade in. That's the hardest part. And if you have a trading plan, it details everything for you. So you don't have to stress about thinking about what you're going to do, because your trading plan tells you what you're going to do. That's the whole point. All right. And if you signed up for a free membership through fxntrading.com, you've already had access to a trading plan for free. The question is, why haven't you used it? That's the real question. Why haven't you used it? Is it because you're too worried about trying to figure out how to trade? Is it because you're too busy trying to figure out levels, trying to figure out how to use an ADR or TDI or the EMAs and shit like that? Like, that doesn't make sense. It doesn't matter. None of that matters if you don't have stuff written down as a guide to how your trades are going to go. None of that matters. All right? So I'm going to show you literally how to create a trading plan. All right. First thing is, go to fxntrading.com. Go here. All right. Once you're here, if you haven't signed up for a membership, which is free, just click on member sign up. All right. Once you put in your info here, you'll get an email with a link to the chat and a link to a password actually in the email, so you can sign in. All right. So once you have that, go to members, and it'll ask you for a password. You put in the password, and then go into Trading Plan. Click on Trading Plan, and it's essentially going to download a template for you. Okay, so it's going to download a FXN Trading Plan template. Now this template is basically going to show you what does a trading plan look like, right? Because a lot of you, I'm sure, are asking yourself, what the hell does a trading plan look like? What's an example of a good trading plan, right? Well, here you go. Okay, this is an example of a good trading plan. Okay, so let's look at this for a second. So you have trading plan, you have basically things that you tell yourself before trading. These are things that you tell yourself, right, before you actually start trading, to get you in that right mood, okay, to set the tone for your trading session. You don't just go into a trading session and you just open up charts and start looking at them. You have to get your mind right into trading. You have to get your mind focused into what you're about to do. Because at the end of the day, to have the outcome of money, of making money, you have to make good trades. Okay? You cannot make money if you don't make good trades. So you have to be totally in focus when you're going into this trading. Okay? So these are things that you tell yourself every time you go into the trading, right? Trading rules. Okay? Now this is essentially a what a trading plan should look like. This isn't the trading plan that I want you to follow, right? This is just a trading plan to show you what it would be, what it would look like. And so you can take a lot of the same elements from here to create your own trading plan. Okay? So you have your trading rules. All right? If you don't know what trading rules you're going to use, if you're wanting to trade with market makers like we do, then you need to go back to some of the videos, and I'll put in a playlist here on the top right corner that you can go back to. But at the very beginning of Trading with Market Makers playlist that I have on the channel, I go through everything, through all the rules for entry, through the rules for exits, all that stuff, right? So this is where you need to put this information at here. Okay, and then you go into the actual strategy, right? What is it that you're trading? Type 1, type 2, type 3? Are you only going to trade type 1 setups? Are you only going to look for type 3 setups? What setups are you going to look for, right? So this is where you need to put this in here. So in this example, it's double tops and bottoms and head and shoulders, right? And it talks about basically what are the rules for those. Okay. Counter trend trades. Are you taking any counter trend trades? What are the rules for the counter trend trades? Are you doing any channel trading? No, you're not going to be doing any channel trading. Your exit strategy. What does your exit strategy look like for exiting a trade in different situations? What does your exit strategy look like when the trade is going in your favor? What does the exit strategy look like when it's not going in your favor, right? So these are the things that you need to write down. These are the things that you need to follow, because these are the things that control your emotions once you go into a trade. Okay, and finally, indicators. You don't even have to write this, the indicator part down, right? Because you already know pretty much what you're going to use. If you want to write it down, go ahead and write it down. It takes 2 seconds, right? So if you take this as a example, right? This is something that I literally just did in like 2 minutes. Okay, so here here's the example, and then here is literally what I put together in like 10 minutes. Okay, just to kind of give you an example of what you can do. You can literally copy and paste all this over to a new one. On trading rules, what are your trading rules? Well, if you're trading with market makers, then trade. I trade with the mindset of getting 30 pips per day. Right. My main time frame is a 15-minute chart, and I identify levels on the 1 hour chart. My risk reward ratio has to be at least 2 to 1, or I cannot open a trade. That right there will keep you out of bad trades. I must know my entry, stop, take profits before I enter the trades. This is like legit stuff that you need to know before you enter a trade. If you don't know what your entry, your stop, and your take profit is going to be, how are you going to enter a trade? That doesn't make any sense. You guys want to do this for a living. You guys want to be professional at this. It's how can you be professional if you don't have a plan? That makes no sense. Come on. I must always wait for the candle to close after the 13 EMA. Anytime our trades move into 1-to-1, move the stop loss to break even. I'm never allowed to move my stop loss higher, and I always use an exit strategy to exit trades. I never counter trend trades unless I'm on level 2 or higher. 100% of my trades will be taken from 3:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. If the pattern is not the main reason I'm entering the trade, a trade, then you don't enter a trade. I cannot enter a trade without 2 other forms of confirmation. Right? So you have the pattern, then what are your other 2 forms of confirmation that you can use? You can use, are you at the high or the low of the day? Where are the EMAs? Are you using a TDI perhaps? Are you using an ADR? Stuff like that. Your goal is to trade with the market makers, not against them. Right? Here it is. If your trading strategy, a type 1 pattern and a type 2. Counter trend trades. Cannot counter trend trades unless level 2 or 3. Exit strategy. But you get the point. All right? You get the point. This is literally all you need right here to do. Okay? And you can just mostly copy and paste most of this stuff, or change the wording around to your own rules. But you guys need to have a trading plan. I cannot stress this enough. If you don't have a trading plan, you're playing with this. This is a hobby for you. You're not taking this seriously. Okay? So if you want to take this seriously, if you want to be consistent at this, you need to have a trading plan. Okay? Consistency comes by following a set of rules over and over and over and over again. That's how you get consistent. You can't be consistent with something if you don't have something to follow that keeps you in check, that keeps you in line. So guys, I can't stress it enough. I can't say it anymore. You need a trading plan. Okay? That's how you make a trading plan. Okay? And you want to get this seriously, take that trading plan. Once you finish writing it up, take the trading plan, download this trading journal. Okay? Download the journal like this. Open up the journal. Okay? And once you have the journal open, start journaling each trade. Right? Now here's what you do. You want to know what you do? You want to be good at this? Go back into the charts for 3 months. Replay the charts. Okay? Go back and replay the charts. So here, you're replaying these charts here. Right? You put in your little box here. You set your little Asian box. You let this play. and then you see what kind of setup you have, right? If you can identify the setup as it's developing here, you go ahead and you put in whatever the short, or the short position, let's say here and here. All right, let's just say that for an example, and then here are the numbers that you write down in your trading journal. 136.26. Your entry here was what, 113.526, and your take profit would have been 133.51. And you write that in your trading journal, and then you play it out and you see whether it plays in your favor or not. If it plays in your favor, great. If it doesn't, okay, great. It's all right. You're just collecting data. And you keep doing this. Do this for 3 months straight on the charts. I guarantee you, if you do this 3 months straight on the charts, you get everything journaled, you're going to learn so much about yourself. But this is the stuff that needs to be done in order for you to be successful. If you don't do this part, I guarantee you, you're not going to be as consistent and as successful as you want to be. It's just that simple. It is literally just that simple. I can't make it any simpler, any more black and white for you. Okay? That is what you need to do. All right? So very easy, guys, to create a trading plan. Okay? If you have not watched the videos that give you the rules that I'm talking about, go back into the YouTube channel, and here, I'll show you. So go right here, go into the playlist, and go to Trading with Market Makers. Okay? And then here is an entire list. Here's an entire list of what I'm talking about. So if you want to, let's say, talk about what are the entry rules, go here. What are the entry triggers? Right? I mean, everything is here. Risk management is here. Everything. What pairs to trade. Everything is already here, guys. So if you're new to the channel and you're seeing this for the first time, go and watch the playlist. Go and watch this playlist here. I promise you, it'll be worth it. Go watch the playlist here. This playlist goes through everything. It'll give you all the rules that you need. All right? And if you need help beyond that, then go ahead and hit us up in the chat. There's plenty of people there that are willing to help. Okay? You can message me directly, send me an email, or if you want to be part of the mentorship, then do that. Okay? But it's all here for you. You just have to go out and do it. I can't make it any simpler. I can show you the way, right? I can point the flashlight at the way out, or at the way to successfully trading. But if you don't, if you don't follow the path to get there, then that's on you. It's not on me. I give you everything. It's up to you to actually put it to action. I can't do this for you. All right, guys? So, guys, I really hope that this has taught you something, at least how to create a trading plan. Like I said, it's pretty simple to do, guys. It's not very difficult. Okay? Instead of watching whatever shows you watch for an hour, take 30 minutes and literally do this. Literally do this. Just do it. All right? Guys, if you found value in this video, please let me know in the comments below, guys. If you have a trading plan, let me know. Okay, let me know some of the things that you put into your trading plan in the comments below. I'm very interested to hear what you guys have put into the trading plan. Okay, guys, I'm here to help you. I really want every one of you guys to succeed. Okay, but if you want to succeed, guys, there's no way around that. You have to put in the work. All right, I can give you all the tools, I can tell you everything, but if you don't put in the work and the back testing in the background, then you're not going to be as successful as you should be. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate your time. Guys, have a good one and have a wonderful rest of your trading week. Guys, one last thing. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time to watch my videos. I really hope that I've added value in each of the videos that I make for you guys, and I hope that you're learning something. As always, guys, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Please like and share the videos if you found value in them. And also, don't forget to visit our website at www.fxntradinggroup.com. Once again, guys, thank you so much. I'm truly blessed.